Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. No, the cat will not leave me alone. We've tried several takes. Today I'm putting together bread, but this time it's flat bread. This is an insanely easy recipe that goes together in about 20 minutes, from start to finish. Let's see what we're gonna need. I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, about a teaspoon of kosher salt, and close to a tablespoon of baking powder. You could just use 3 cups of self-rising flour. This is 500 grams of 2% plain yogurt. And I am just going to mix this by hand until it mostly forms a dough. All right, now I'm just going to use my hands. This has mostly come together. We're going to take it over to the granite and knead it into a ball. All right, this was about 3 minutes of kneading. You can see it's all come together. We're just going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. All right, our 10 minutes are up. We're just going to knead this a little bit and then cut it into 8 even pieces. Okay, we're going to shape this into a ball first, and then put flour down, top and bottom. Okay, and then roll this into a very thin circle. I have my 12-inch skillet on over medium-high heat, and this is sprayed with a little bit of nonstick cooking spray. It's time to give these flatbreads a taste. And yes, the cat is on the counter because she will not leave. We've tried to get her off multiple times. They're beautiful, soft, still warm. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.